Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add more pages in Microsoft Word in mobile. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Microsoft Word. Okay, then you need to click on the plus icon in the top right and click on blank document. And so this is the first page, as you can see that. So how you can add more pages, you simply need to click on the arrow icon in the right bottom corner, and here you need to click on the home icon, and then you need to click on insert, and here you have different options. You simply need to click on blank page. So you can see that another blank page is successfully added. So this is a process by which you can add more pages in Microsoft Word in mobile. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.